Good morning friends, I am Rajan Prasad and at present you are viewing my channel Photo Creation. In this episode we will learn about the text tool and at end I am going to give you 2 tips for making exotic text. So view this video till end. Thank you. To write text in a Photoshop document, we use type tool. The type tool comes in 4 different variations and allows users to create both horizontal and vertical type. In the toolbar, you can find the type tool, click and hold on type icon and a flyout menu opens in which you see 4 types of type tools: horizontal type, vertical type, horizontal type mask and vertical type mask. You can click on any tool to select it. The keyboard shortcut of this tool is letter T. You can use it to select this tool. With horizontal type tool, you can type horizontal text. With vertical type tool, you can type vertical text. It is useful for writing Oriental languages like Japanese or Chinese. If you want to experiment with typographic design, you can use it. Horizontal type mask tool and vertical type mask tool creates a quick mask using the type shape as a selection. For typing, first select either horizontal type tool or vertical type tool from the toolbar as needed. Now click and drag to create a text frame of the required size and then release your mouse. Now type anything as I am typing here. Both horizontal and vertical type tools create type layers when used, and as long as the file remains in PSD or TIFF file format with layers, the type remains editable. You can edit the font, size and other attributes as well as change the contents of the text anytime. Now press F7 to open the layer panel if it is not already open. You have just typed, so in the layer panel you can see that Photoshop has already created a text layer over the background layer. Now let us see how we can edit the text. At the top of Photoshop interface below the menu bar, you will see the tool option bar where you will find options to change font, size, color and alignment of the text. Now let us see how we can edit the text. At the top of Photoshop interface below the menu bar, you will see the tool option bar where you will find options to change the font, size, color and alignment of the text. If you want to move your written text anywhere in the document, select the Move tool in the toolbar to move your text box as desired on the document as I am showing you. To make changes to an entire type layer such as font, font size, color or alignment, don't select any type text. Instead select the type layer by clicking on it in the layer panel. Now you can change any attributes in the option bar and the change is applied throughout the type layer. And if you want to edit few text, then select them by clicking on them in the document and then you can edit them. Now see the main options in the tool option bar one by one to know what they do. The first option is toggling text orientation. Click on it and you will see that the horizontal text has become vertical. Click once again and the text will again become horizontal. The next option is to select fonts. Here you can select any font as per your design requirement. Click on the down arrow next to the font and a list will open showing all fonts. Hover your mouse on any font and you will see that the text in your document is now changed in the font below the mouse. When you find any font suitable, click on that font and the text in your document will change in that font. Next to the font, you can select whether your font will be regular, italic, bold or bold italic. Next to it, you can select size of your font in the drop down menu. After the size, you will find align text option, which defines text placement. You can select from left, center or right alignment. I am clicking each of them one by one, and you can see how alignment of the text in the document changes. After alignment, you will find color picker. Click on it and a color picker panel opens where you can choose any color of the font. As you click on any color, the font in your document will convert in that color. To select the color, click OK and change the color of the font. One of the most powerful features in the type tool is the capability to wrap any text layer according to your particular needs. To wrap a type layer, double-click on the text layer and click over the Create Wrap Text button, and a panel will open where you can select any one of the 15 wraps. I am clicking on few wraps style, and you can see their effect on the text. Below styles, you can select vertical or horizontal displacement of the wrap styles. Below this, there are 3 sliders to increase or decrease the values of bend, horizontal and vertical displacement. Now I am showing you the effect of different values of bend and distortion on an wrap. Now let us see how horizontal and vertical type mask tools work. The type mask tools do not create type layers, rather they create masks in the shape of letters. For showing its effect, I have taken a different photograph, as you can see on the screen. Now I am typing some words. You can see that a translucent red overlay is added on the font shape as a mask. To convert this mask into selection, press Ctrl plus Enter. Now you can see that the text has been converted into selection. Now click on the mask icon, which is the third icon at the bottom of the layer panel, and you can see you have made a text from the photo. This effect is extensively used in advertisement, and you can see how easily it can be created. Now I am showing you how to create exotic fonts in seconds in Photoshop automatically. First, type anything in the document, open the window menu, and in this click on Styles to open the Style panel. You will see there are ready-made many panels here, but if you are not satisfied with this, click on the top right icon in the Style panel. You will see many style sets here, and from here you can load many other styles as I am doing here. Now to apply the selected style, just click on it and you can see in seconds your font has been transformed in an exotic font, and your friend will ask you how difficult it is to make, and you know now how difficult it is. Now try this yourself, have fun. Bye for now. Meet you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Kindly subscribe and like our video channel for more interesting video tutorials. If you want to get notification about our upcoming tutorials, kindly press the bell icon. See you again in the next tutorial. Goodbye and have a nice day.